if I told you that this beautiful antique envelope was created in a matter of minutes using a scrap piece of lace and a sticker? Using my beautiful wallpaper floral stickers that are currently in my shop, I am decorating all of my antique ephemera and making it look as if flowers were blooming from the corners. Typically, what would take time and hours to not only print, but also fuzzy cut to get an effect like this. You don't even need glue. All you need is a beautiful sticker and the piece of paper that you want to alter and decorate. This is the envelope that I'm going to be sharing with you how to create, as well as many more ephemera using antique papers and decorating them with little pieces of our wallpaper stickers. So here's my envelope, my antique envelope. I'm going to be adding some of the lace with some glue. This is just some scrap lace that was left over from our fabric treasure bundles. And I'm just going to be adding this lace right on top, making sure it's nice and adhered, just like that. See, that's so pretty. I recommend using a lace that is very sheer. So just by using your glue and attaching your lace on top of your antique envelope, the lace kind of just melts and blends onto your antique paper. It looks really, really nice. And you can still see some of the envelope underneath it. And you can do this to a postcard, to an envelope, to anything that you have on hand, really. Such a nice technique and look to it. So now that the base of my envelope has been done, now it's time to have fun with stickers. So of course I'm going to be decorating these envelopes using my stickers. Of course, you can put the whole sticker on the envelope and kind of make that as its standout piece. But I am going to just cut parts of the stickers to attach it on the edge of the envelope. So I think I'm going to cut about that piece there. And because the stickers are on a matte sticker paper so that you can easily cut them out if you'd want to, you can fuzzy cut them. Cut. I don't think that was straight. Let me just flip this over so that it's nice and straight. This is a lot easier this way. Here's the sticker that I've cut out. And then it's very easy to just take it on the edge and peel it off. Oh, that's so satisfying. And you can see in the camera, it's completely matte and completely transparent. And you don't lose the color. The color, the vibrancy, everything is so gorgeous. So now we take our envelope, take our sticker, and add it right on top of the envelope and the lace. Because the lace blended onto our envelope, it basically became like paper. It's the same texture. So if you're trying to peel it back up, it'll probably tear your paper, especially if it's antique paper. So you want to make sure you know exactly where you want to place it prior to sticking it down, but it just blends in perfectly. It can be stuck on top of fabric, which is what I wanted to share. So not only paper, but also fabric. And in a matter of seconds, you have a beautiful floral design that looks as if you fuzzy cut it, and it blended perfectly on your envelope. It looks like it's a wallpaper envelope, and because it's matte and transparent, it blends in perfectly to whatever background that you want to use it on. This is why I wanted to create my beautiful stickers, because you can use them as transfers, as little tattoos that you can put on your paper and even fabric. Honestly, you can take this piece and add it on the edge. At the top, we can add this here at the bottom or at the edge. Or if we open this envelope up, I can add it here on the bottom if you wanted to use this as like a full page in a journal. And you can do the same thing with all of the stickers. You can fuzzy cut these little roses individually. You can also achieve the same effect using the actual postcard that comes with your stickers. The front mimics an antique postcard, so you can use this as decoration in a journal. And then the back is, of course, our beautiful branding and packaging. So this is the coordinating sticker that comes with this postcard. You can create that same effect that we created with the envelope. You can make it with any of the stickers and any of their coordinating postcards just by simply cutting it wherever you'd like, peeling the sticker off, and then deciding on where you want to place it and adding your sticker right on top. You can also mix and match different stickers together to create different effects on your postcards and on your envelopes. This here is my mini Artist in Bloom journal. I've been working on some of these pages in here, and I will of course film a flip through when it's finished. But this page here, as you can see, I used one of the stickers that is included in our ephemera kit, which you've already seen in the previous video. But on this paper, it is embossed and it is also painted. It's an antique piece of paper that I have painted. This is the sticker that I want to put on here as it fits perfectly in my journal. Peel it off from the backing and place it right where I want it to be. And it blends in beautifully to my background. And you can see it a lot better up close, the design. This is a really old piece of French document. It's not a digital, it's the real thing. But I'm going to place one of the stickers here. It comes just like this in its little baggie. Comes with your beautiful postcard. And it comes with the matching sticker. You can either put the whole thing on top of the French document, or you can cut along certain parts. Right along here. Just like so. So this is going to be one piece. Might go there. Then this one, I'm going to take my sticker, place it right on top of that French document. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And then I'm going to take the other little corner and add it right along there. Look at that gorgeous document. How beautiful does that look? No printer, no fuzzy cutting. You can take any document, any paper that you have, digital or real, and enhance it with our beautiful floral wallpaper stickers. And the last and final piece is this cute little tag. This is a fabric tag, and I want to add a beautiful wallpaper sticker on there. I think I want to do these and this one on the edge. Place it right on the bottom and add it right on the corner. And now our beautiful fabric tag has some really sweet little wallpaper flowers right on top of it. There's so many possibilities to how you can use all of our stickers, and I hope that this video served as a sweet inspiration in how you can completely transform paper and fabric with our beautiful floral stickers. Definitely check out the shop to find your special little bouquet of stickers. This is the first collection of stickers, as there is going to be so many available in the shop and so many more designs to come. I hope that you guys loved this video, and until next time, I hope that you have an incredible day full of peace and love and creativity wherever you are in the world. Sending you so much peace and so much love your way.